Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to merge two PDF files into a single document. Whether you've split a PDF or have two separate files that need to be combined, this tutorial is for you. Just follow these simple steps. To begin, I'll show you the two PDF files I'll be merging, a larger PDF file and a smaller one. To combine these files, I'll use a free and user-friendly online tool called iLovePDF. This platform allows you to perform a variety of operations with PDF files. To get started, open any browser and search for iLovePDF. Click on the official link, and once you're on the home page, look for the Merge PDF button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload the PDF files you want to combine. Click the red Select Files button and choose the first PDF file. Then, click the plus button to add the second file. Both files will now be loaded into the tool. If needed, you can also add more than two files for merging. Before merging, you can rearrange the order of the files by dragging and dropping them into your desired sequence. The order you set here will determine how the pages appear in the final merged document. Once the files are uploaded and arranged, click the Merge PDF button. Allow the tool some time to process the files. When the merge is complete, a Download Merged PDF button will appear. Click it to download your combined PDF. Open the downloaded file to ensure the merge was successful. As you can see, the two PDF files have been successfully combined into a single document. Now you know how to merge PDFs easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.